Okay guys, welcome back to part 6. We are supposed to find the values of x and y from this diagram. Okay, so this diagram is AOB is a straight line. It was given in the question, which you already have the question, so let's jump straight in. The idea we are going to use is that on a straight line, the angles formed on a straight line are what? Are up to what? 180 degrees. 180 degrees. Alright, and then this side too, it's also up to 180 degrees. So when you add them, 360 degrees. So that's the idea we are going to use to solve this equation. Alright, so we have at the first part, considering the numerator, we have 3x plus y degrees plus 45 degrees. Okay, we have that this should be equal to what? 180 degrees. And also we have 5x no, we have 5x plus y, or degrees plus y degrees, which is equal to what? 180 degrees. Okay, so what we are supposed to do is to just solve this equation, these two equations simultaneously, right? To get the values of what? X and y. So if I take equation 1, I'll manipulate it small. Okay, so we will solve these two equations simultaneously without the degrees. Okay, this equation 2. Alright, so since there are degrees on both sides, I'm going to solve the equation excluding the degrees. Then when I'm done, I'll factor the degrees, right? So I'm going to get my equation 1 is now going to be 3x plus, so I'm multiplying 2 by 3y plus 45 equals 180. So that gives me 3x plus 3y equals 180 minus 45. So 187 minus 135. So I'll get 3x plus 3y equals 135. Equals 135. So this will be my what? Equation 3. Then what will I do? I'm going to simplify this one too. So I'm having 5x plus y plus y plus what? 180 degrees. So I'm working without degrees. So I have 5x 2y equals 180. So this will be my equation 4, right? Okay. So what I'm going to do is this. Go to solve 4 and 3 simultaneously. Okay, but I want to use elimination method. So I'll multiply this equation by 5, and I'll multiply this equation by 5, and I'll multiply this one by 3. I want to eliminate x, so the coefficient of equation 1 will multiply the equation 3 will multiply the equation 4, and the coefficient of equation 4 will multiply the equation 3. Alright, so if I multiply this one by 5, I should get 15x 15y 135 times 5 6 7 5. Okay, this side too, if I multiply by 3, I should get 15x plus 6y. 180 times 3 should give me what? 540. So this will give me new equation 4 and 5, right? So I'm going to solve equation 4 minus equation 5 over here. Take this one off. So equation 4 minus equation 5, these ones will cancel out. These 15 and 15 will cancel out. So I'll be left with what? 15y minus 6y equals 675 minus 540. And that should give me me 15 minus 6. That should give me 9, right? 9y equals, this one should be 1, 3, 5. I need y and not 9y. If I go by 9. So I have y to what? 15. 1, 3, 5. 15. So to get x, what am I supposed to do? I'm going to put the value of y into what? Equation 1. My equation 1 was this: 3x plus 3y equals 135 degrees. Now my y is what? 15. So I have 3x plus 3, 15 equals 135. So I have 3x plus 45 equals 135. So I have 3x equals 135 minus 45. I have 3x equals 1. That should be 90. I divide both sides by 3. 90 on 3. And that should give me x to be what? 30. So x is also what? 30. So the values of x and y are 30 and 15. So so I have to take this part so that I can see the question. So if you come here and you sum this up, 5x, x is what? 30, right? Plus 15. That should give you 5 times 30 plus 15. That should give you 165 degrees. Plus this y over here is also what? 15. So plus 15 degrees. And that's 180 degrees. Okay. When you come to the top, you have 3 multiplying what? X. X is 30 plus 15, which is y. So 30 plus 15 is 45 multiplied by 3. That's 135 degrees. And this place is 45. So 135 degrees plus 45 degrees will be what? 180 degrees. So that's it. Alright. So the values are 15 and 30. Okay. Let's meet in part 7 for question 7. Then we are done with the try work. Alright, see you there.